In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly for your team scheduling. 5 minutes. We'll walk through logging in, inviting teammates, and creating a group event so multiple people can book the same time slot without back and forth emails. First, open your browser and go to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Log In. Enter the work email you use with your account, then hit Continue. On the next screen, type your password and select Continue to sign in securely. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly home. From here, look for the Admin Center. This is where team settings live. Open it, then choose View Team. You'll see your current users and their status. To add your colleagues, click Invite Users. In the field provided, enter the team email addresses you want to invite. You can paste several, separated by commas, to move faster. When you're ready, choose. Next, set roles. Assign each person the appropriate role based on the access they need, such as standard user or admin level permissions. This helps control who can change organization-wide settings. After reviewing, click Send Invitation. Calendly emails your teammates a link so they can accept and set up their accounts. When you're done, click Back to Home. If an invitation remains pending, teammates can resubmit from their inbox, or you can resend it later from the same team page. Remind everyone to check spam filters and confirm their time zone inside Calendly before they start accepting bookings. Now let's create the scheduling option your team will share. On the home screen, select Event Types. Choose Group Event. A group event lets multiple invitees book the same time slot, perfect for webinars, trainings, or office hours. In the event editor, find Invitee Limit. This setting caps how many people can join each slot so you don't overbook. Enter the maximum number of invitees you want per time. Pick a number that fits your meeting format and capacity. After adjusting the limit and any basic details on the page, click Save Changes. Your group event is now ready to share. You can copy the event link and send it to customers or post it in team communications so everyone directs people to the same booking page. That's it. You signed in, invited your team, and set up a controlled group event for smooth scheduling. If you're new to Calendly, remember to keep your availability up to date on your personal calendar so bookings reflect your real schedule and encourage teammates to do the same. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.